Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And I also made this flashlight that can be 3 million lumens, but I'm not sure yet. Don't tell it to the Guinness World Record because I'm still scared if they get disappointment. I tried to tell Google if it's gonna be dangerous if I already gonna make the LED chips inside of it. Don't tell it to the Guinness World Record. America viewers, if you're seeing this right now, do not tell it to the Guinness World Record. Shh. Okay? Anyway, I want to make it 3 million lumens. This is what the inside looks like. Yeah, looks damaged. And one thing about it that's dangerous, it's ripping apart. Oh my god. Really? The shape looks like the MS-18, right? But it's just paper. If you want me to make a brighter flashlight that was what should I call this? That is shaped like the MS-32, you can tell me. But I just paint this yet because tomorrow I'm gonna make yellow here and blue here, and then the inside will be white. Yeah. Anyway, let me try to show it. Wait, guys. There you go. Turning on the flashlight in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's so bright. Oh yeah, turn that off. Guys, that was so bright. But what is this thing? Anyway, if you want me to make a MS-32 version, make sure to subscribe and like the short, and goodbye.